Welcome to our tutorial on printing personalized documents without PDF-VT. My name is Clara Wiebold and I work for Prinect Service. We want to produce an 8-page flyer, each for 10 different customers. The PDF has 80 pages for that reason. We will refer to the 8 pages for each customer also as a data record. Generally, we come across two issues when processing personalized documents that are not optimized. On the one hand, pre-flight of the documents in the DFE can take a lot of time. On the other, documents of certain production types like our flyer cannot be imposed correctly. If the print settings are not customized, the pages will be placed like for an 80-page flyer. In this case, however, we need an imposition for an 8-page flyer. We will define the required settings in the qualify sequence. Set Convert PDF to PDF-VT in normalizing. You must also enter the number of pages per data record here. Save the qualify sequence, giving it a descriptive name. Now load the PDF document into the job. Then add the new qualify sequence and start the job. Select the new qualify sequence. Because you customized the settings in the new qualify sequence, instead of 80 pages, only the 8 pages of the first data record are checked. Pre-flight was able to be done very quickly as a result. We can now begin with the print settings. Go to the digital printing step to do this. The document in this example is produced frequently. That's why the output settings were saved to a page print sequence already during the first production. We now load this page print sequence to the job. You see that the 8-page flyer was now imposed correctly. Now submit the job to the press. When you confirm your data, you send your job to the press.